Adventure is calling, and we certainly answered. Here is our epic camping trip in the Alberni Valley on Vancouver Island.
Hi, Malachi. We are packed up. We're heading out.
After driving for 2 hours and then some, it was time to find a home away from home. Whenever we're out camping, we have to bring Malachi's bike, so that's a must and that's in there. But we also like to pack extra items in the NOBO, like winter jackets, extra water, a toolbox, just so that we're prepared should anything happen when we're out camping remotely. Because we rent this trailer out to customers, we like for them to be comfortable. So we also have the essentials that we pack for them, like folding chairs and folding table. We also have a kitchen bin with supplies. We want to make the experience a wonderful one and help them enjoy their camping getaway. Now that we've uploaded the trailer, the boys can work outside and set up the canopy. This is the bat wing, and it's so great. So whenever the weather changes or shifts, or we just need shelter, it is perfect for just still being able to get under there and be protected from the elements and still enjoy our camping experience. So they are setting that up, staking it down, and securing it. In the meanwhile, I'm inside setting up our bedding. So there's storage inside of the NOBO where we have our pillows and comforters, and I am setting that up to make it comfortable for us. This NOBO has been such a great addition to our family, and we really enjoy it, and we love sharing it with others as well. It really does make a wonderful camping experience. We're all set up and just in time. Someone's ready for hot chocolate in bed.
We have two toes. So their back foot steps into their front foot. But they have two toes.
Yep.
It's a mule deer.
It's a mule deer.
And that,
We also came across some bear footprints, which made for a very entertaining conversation later that evening.
29 piles of bear poop.
Honestly, it's important to note because the more poop you see around, it just tells you, okay, this is bear area. You need to be bear aware and
Very aware. Very aware. And also you need to see the size of the poop.
And what does the size tell you?
It tells you what size the bear is. Because
Exactly.
if it's like really big, it's a big bear that eats a lot.
That's
and
right.
poops a lot.
That's right. And if it's a small,
If it's small, you should really watch out because it would be a mother and a cub.
and that's really important because they're more aggressive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That is some awesome tips right there, you guys. Those are tips you should definitely note when you're out camping remote like we do. This has just been so good. And we're excited to share it with you. All right.
Even the disgusting things.
Found ourselves another lake to explore.
I'm hungry. Whoa.
Wolf crying for snacks. Nice work. Yeah. We have found a really cool waterfall. Well, maybe not a waterfall. Maybe it's a waterfall. I like waterfalls. And it's just gorgeous. We are just driving deeper into the into the park here, and it's just gorgeous. Look at this. It's a waterfall, right? Wouldn't you say this is a waterfall?
Pretty nice waterfall. So this would be, I don't know what river this is, but that over there is Elsie Lake that it goes into right there. So over this way.
And then look, other little creeks and streams flow into this river. So nice. It is gorgeous in here. Oh yeah, this is prime fishing according to Dan. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Again, check out that waterfall.
Thanks so much for watching, you guys. This is just part 1 of our camping journey, and we hope to see you back here next week for part 2 as we continue to share all the adventures we had on our camping trip. Again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video.